Today I'm going to show you yet another little super quick, super simple pinch bow style, and as you can see this one is a slightly curved style, and the best thing about it is I am one for saving as much money as possible when I'm trying these things. Like I said, if you want to start getting the more professional ones, like I said, invest in your SGV to files or your templates depending on what you prefer. But while you want to try out a style, I use little things around the house, like this is the end of one of my tool rolls, a lid off a pot, beauty pot, the top of my pin tacks lid, the lid of my hairspray, anything like that you can use to get your curve as even as you possibly can without paying out for fancy tools. And like I said, all the other thing you need for these is your pencil and a ruler. So like I said, it's they're simple and like I said, easy to do. That's the best thing about this. And like I said, you can find everything that you need nearby. So like I said, all you need again is we're working from rectangles, and I'll put the sizes in the description below. But like I said, this is all you do. You get your fabric, draw in your rectangle and cut those out. And I've got this lovely silver scaled glitter, and I've done this 5.5 by 2.5. And what I do for these is we want to fold them in half and get our centre for when we pinch. So fold that and do your little pencil flicks like that, and then join those up. So there we go, there's our centre. And then I fold this way, and all you want to do is, like I said, find something that fits the size that you're doing, like this. This is the end of my tool. Like I said, make sure it's even on both sides on your placements so that you're not cutting too much or too little either side to keep it balanced. Place that down like so. Draw around your curve. Keep that held nice and tight so we're not slipping. And then you just want to cut round. And like I said, the better you are at balancing your sides, etc., and finding things that fit your widths, etc., the prettier your overall look and the balance of these types of bows will be. Like I said, these are fun to play with, but like I said, your SG files and your plastic templates and things like that help you from having to do the guesswork like this, so that's why I find those useful as well. So that's the whole thing done, and as you can see, we've got the nice curves, pretty even. And then all we do is fold this dead in half so our edges are lined up like so. Hold our pinch, and like I said, we're holding that on our line. Fold back against your thumb and down, down against your thumb and up. Okay, and again, I'm just going to do that again. At that point, you can either glue or you can wrap your thread, whichever you prefer. On this one, I'm going to glue because this material allows for that. Just to show you can do both methods. Okay, So that's your front with your 3, and that's your back with your 2. And like I said, I like to make sure that where I'm gluing my middle is where I can see that original line that I've drawn in, because I know that's the centre. So let it open a little bit. You don't want a lot of glue, just a small amount. There. Pinch that together like so. Turn it the other way, and like I said, you just want a pinch of glue there and there in those. Like so. Hold that together and let the pinch settle. And then I've got my clip here. Make sure that's done. So just want a little bit of glue on this side. And there we go. Pop that against our 2 creases like that. And hold for a couple of seconds just so it settles. And then I did have a little piece cut. I did. Oh yeah, this was one I was going to use the hollow piece for. Ignore me. There we go. So I've got a nice little centre, and again this is 1 centimetre wide. And we just want a touch of glue here. There we go. And you wrap round. Get rid of that excess. Okay, touch of glue here. Open that back up and stick that down that side. And there we go. We've got one cute little curvy pinch bow, which is an alternative from this one that I showed you how to make this week with the curves either side. There we go, in the lime version. And like I said, that's what they look like. Like I said, you can do your curves deeper or shorter. You can do your widths longer or shorter, and again it changes the shape, because obviously I've done this one in 5.5. I did that one in 5. Like I said, it changes the look. There's this one I did in 3 inches by 5. So like I said, you get different looks in each sort of thing. And like I said, you can play around with your sizes. Like I said, it's just a matter of cutting the rectangles to the width and length that you want, and playing around with the things that you can use to get your curves, and just playing. And like I said, you can make quite a few different shapes like this. Like I said, I'll put all the links to the other tutorials in the description below for you. And like I said, you can play around. The only thing I will say is all of these pinch bows, like I said, this is a glitter, but it's a very fine, soft glitter. So it's very easy to do your pinches like so. Like I said, it's easy to fold, it's easy to roll, it's easy to just manoeuvre around. If you were using the thicker glitter, it can be done, but it takes a lot longer because it's much much harder to get those pinches in like those thicker materials. The same with the thicker leatherettes. These nice soft ones, like I said, the ones that literally you can literally scrunch up and then they'll pop back again. They're great for these kind of bows. Like I said, the thicker ones, there's like these, which is much thicker. You can see the difference. It's like double the thickness of this one. And like I said, you can get the pinches in, but they seriously bulk it up, and it's just a little bit trickier and harder And with the glitters, again, like I said, the thicker ones and in this material are much harder to pinch, so do think about that if you make any of these styles. Like I said, if you need any more help or anything like that, do feel free to join me on my Facebook page or group, or show me any of your makes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and share. Bye!